Hi viewers, welcome to World of CNC. This is slide number 38. In this we will see profile milling with the Siemens. And this is the profile. In this diagram we have 75 by 75 by 25 mm blank size. From this we need to create a profile like this. So this is the profile. For example, this is a starting point. Here we are taking the reference point at the middle. This is the point 27.5 and 27.5 x value and y value. From this we are moving the tool to this point. We have a curvature and a linear movement, one more curvature, linear movement, one more curvature. Like that we are completing the profile. Simply we are selecting end mill cutter of size 5 mm, 3 mm, so anyone we can select. If we go with the minimum diameter, the profile will be very clear. So better to select a 3 or 5 mm end mill cutter. And this is the program. First we need to set the workpiece, that is a blank size, and then move the cutter to reference point, selecting the tool, and once again bring back the tool to x0, y0, and switch on the spindle. Keep it at 100 mm height, and then slowly, rapidly move the tool up to Z50, and then bring down to Z2. Now this is very nearer to the workpiece, and then move the tool to very first point, that is x27.5 and 27.5. Give depth of cut, and then move the tool to the next point, like that. Now we are completing the profile. At last, one more time we have to lift the cutter to Z50. Now the tool is safe, and then switching off the spindle, switch off the coolant, and then put M30 is the program end. So after that we will get the simulation like this. These are all the views. Finally we will get the product like this after machining. Now we will see in the machine itself. This is a Siemens controller, and go to program manager, open that program where we saved. So this is a milling one. So this is the program what we have in the PPT. First we need to set the workpiece blank size. So this line how we are getting, go to various, go to blank option, we will get this page. Here x value, this is x and this is y and this one is z. The top surface of the blank will be 0. All the parameters we are setting. After that we will get the line the same. Go back to reference point, selection of cutter, and come back to x0, y0. Like that we are writing the program up to M30. After completing this typing work, go to simulation area. If you want, we can keep the profile with a 3-dimensional or a 2-dimensional. Just go with the 3D view. So we will get the profile like this. This is the point, very first point, 27.5. This is the reference point. From this it is 27.5 and minus 27.5. Move the cutter to this point, curvature, linear, curvature, linear, curvature, linear. Come to the last point. The profile will be completed. One more time we will see the simulation. After verification of this program, simulation will start. So this is a simulation. Like that, so we can select a 3 mm or a 5 mm cutter. This width, that depends upon the cutter size what we are selecting. Simply we are creating the profile. Here we are not maintaining any dimension on the profile. So here we are not using any compensation. This is G40. The cutter will be locating exactly at the center point of our coordinate values. So directly we are creating the profile. That's it. And this is the way to write the program for Siemens and do the simulation. If you want, we can see other views also. Go to further views, This is a front view, this is a rear view, this is a left side view, and this one is from right. If you want, go back, go to 3D view, we will see the profile like this. This is the final product what we are getting. One more time we will see the program. So this is the entire program. We just go through this, understand the concept, and we can practice with one more profile. So we will be familiar with the Siemens also. Thank you all. Hi viewers, welcome to World of